Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pipit Fatimah. My student ID number is 12220500120. Now I will explain one questions on the subject of sex related to local wisdom. Let's see in the picture. It is a depiction of the Galungan Day. Galungan is a major Hindu celebration in Bali, held every 210 days to commemorate the victory of good over evil. Balinese families pray, set up prayer, and prepare offerings, including traditional dishes made from slaughtered animals, such as lawar and satay. This day reflects spiritual devotions, respect for ancestors, and cultural unity. Now let's look at the practice questions. In Bali, Galungan Day is an important annual religious and cultural celebrations where the community engage in various sacred and social activities, including the slaughtering of sacrificial animals to express gratitude to God and share with others. The ceremony involves three main groups. Group A prepares the animal, Group B slaughters the animals, and Group C cooks and distributes the dishes. There are 40 people involved in both preparing and slaughtering, A intersections B, 30 in slaughtering and cooking, B intersection C, 25 is preparing and cooking, A intersection C, and 20 people are involved in all three activities, A intersection B intersection C. In total, 70 people participate. The problem as how many were only involved in preparing the animals, and how many took part in at least two of the three activities. Now let's try to solve it. From the question, it's given A intersections B is 40, involved in preparing and slaughtering the animals. B intersection C is 30, involved in slaughtering and cooking the dishes. And A intersection C is 25, it's involved in preparing the animals and cooking the dishes. And A intersections B intersection C is 20, it's involved in all three activities. And the last given is total number of people involved, 70 people. And ask A, how many people are only involved in preparing the animals, or only group A? And question number 2 or B, it's how many people are involved in at least two activities during the ceremony. See the answer. For the first questions is how many people are only involved in preparing the sacrificial animals, or only group A. To calculate the number of people who are only involved in preparing the animals, we first find the total number of people involved in A, or in preparing the animals. The formula we can use is A equals A intersection B plus A intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C. And we get A equals 40 plus 25 minus 20, it's 45. Now, to calculate the number of people only involved in preparing the animals, we use the formula only A, it's A minus A intersections B minus A intersection C plus A intersections B intersection C. And we get only A is 45 minus 40 minus 25 plus 20, it's 0. And we can conclude there are no people who are only involved in preparing the animals, as everyone involved in this activity is also participating in other activities. Here is the last question, or question B, is how many people are involved in at least two activities. The number of people involved in at least two activities is calculated using the formula A intersections B plus B intersection C plus A intersection C minus 2 multiplied A intersection B intersection C. Substitute the noun values. At least two activities equals 40 plus 30 plus 25 minus 2 multiplied 20. And we get 95 minus 40 equals 55. We can conclude 55 people are involved in at least two activities during the ritual ceremony. I think that's enough explanations about the sets. I'm sorry if there are any mistake or shortcomings. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.